Research synopsis, proposal, and protocol. Research synopsis is a comprehensive and careful planned blueprint written by the investigator or researcher. It should be well organized document that communicate the research problem and scientific approach for solving it with accuracy and precision. These terms are closely related and often used interchangeably, especially in academic and medical research. Research synopsis is a brief summary of your proposed research project. It outlines the what, why, and how of your study in a concise format. It is usually includes the title of the study, study background or literature search, and the rationales and objectives of the research, and brief summary of methodology, expected outcome. Think of it as a snapshot of your full research plan. Proposal. A research proposal is a detailed plan that explains the purpose, significance, and method of your research project before it begins. It includes the title and abstract of the research, introduction and literature review, research question, hypothesis and objective, detailed methodology of your research, ethical consideration, budget, and timeline if required. It is often submitted for funding approval. The third one and last, research protocol. A research protocol is a step-by-step guide for how the research will be conducted, especially in a clinical or medical studies. It includes study design, study sample or population, inclusion exclusion criteria. If you use any intervention, the detailed procedure of intervention, data collection and data analysis plan, safety and ethical measures. It serves as the official instruction manual for carrying out the study